shrub whiskey smash, and it showed up in a little shorty glass, and with this really cute, what did he say it was? It was like a shortbread cookie with mascarpone and some peach jam, I think. Anyways, we're gonna try the drink. Here we go. Ooh, that is really, really good. Not too sweet. Little hint of whiskey, not too whiskey forward. That is really yummy. Cheers. Okay, on to champagne time in France. Bring on the bubbles. Okay,
there's a hungry moment.
We have a champagne flight. There is a Veuve Taftinger. I'm going to pronounce that totally wrong. And I don't know what the third one was, but it's my favorite. So here we go. Thumbs up. One of them, the one that I can't remember the name, is the Queen of England's favorite champagne that you can only purchase here or in the palace. Okay, also tried the Nutella-filled pastry from France, and it was okay. It was a lot of Nutella. And now we are just strolling casually, without children, through the streets of France. We're gonna try and hit up some rides, but I just love walking down these streets after hours. It is so nice and feels like you have the whole park to yourself, which is just a nice treat compared to like the busy park atmosphere that you get during the daytime when everybody else is here. And now we are headed to Remy's Ratatouille. So excited to ride this after hours. Well, this is definitely the way to do it. It is completely empty and literally so awesome. This is usually lines out the doorway and around the corner. So if you have the opportunity to do after hours at EPCOT, it is absolutely worth it.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what here? On n'aurait pas idée en province? Non. A simple moment? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it!
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Et où est ton sale? Hey, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Emile!